Come on, read everyone. Harjit, are you in line?
Yes, master.
Okay, come on, read, man. Types of
Draw.
draw.
No win.
No. Types of draw. So, how games are draw? So, the games are draw, you know very well. There is no win, no loss like this type of method. Already we introduction about the draw. So, now we go to first draw. What is the first draw? Come on, read everyone. Perpetual. Come on, read perpetual. Perpetual draw. So what is the perpetual draw? Perpetual draw is an repeated move draw. Perpetual draw is an repeated move draw. You know very well. So one of the position I give you one simple position. So now white to play. So white going to play like this check. It is a purposeful check. Again check. There is no improvement. They played a repeat and repeat check. This is a perpetual check. Okay.
Master.
Can you understand? What is the perpetual check? Repeated move check. The repeated move check 3 times will come in. This is a perpetual check. Okay. Perpetual check is because there is no improvement. You know very well, right?
Yes, master. Second stalemate.
So what is the second title? Stalemate. So Aryan, come on, tell what is the stalemate?
Stalemate.
Yeah, what is the stalemate?
Stalemate is draw.
Yes.
Stalemate is draw.
Stalemate is a draw, but there is no legal move of any one side. So there is no legal move of any one side. This is a stalemate. So somebody understand the stalemate. If there is no king move, means there is a, like stalemate. This is not a right. So any moves. So now the pawn available, knight available, so many moves available. This is not a stalemate. Stalemate means very simple. The one king is available here. The black queen is available here. The position going to no other moves. So now white to play, there is no legal moves. So but there is no check. Without check, the game is going on mate by mean. That is a stalemate draw. Okay, come on, write down your notebook. So what is the stalemate draw? Without checkmate. So without check, game is made mean that is a stalemate draw. Okay. Come on, read. Okay. So shall we go to the next title? Insufficient.
Mating material.
Yes. Chiranjeevi, are you in line? Chiranjeevi.
Yes, sir.
Come on. What is the meaning of insufficient mating material draw? What is the insufficient mating material draw? Come on, read your book. When either side, Chiranjeevi, come on, read your book. When either side has no piece on the board to checkmate enemy king, the game is drawn. The piece is available, the piece cannot do it mate. The forces cannot do mate for the king. Okay.
Yes, master.
So now, so what are the insufficient material? That mean, I give you one example. Sanjit, are you listening? Sanjit?
Sir.
Okay, right. Ashwin? Ashwin? Ashwin, are you in line?
No. He didn't.
No. No. So now this position, black having one knight, but this knight cannot enough to mate the king. So this is a insufficient mating material. At the same position, in this position, if bishop present also, this is also insufficient mating material. At the same position, two knights. Two knights available mean this is also not enough to mate the king. And you know very well, in this position, if it is presented one queen and one bishop mean what is the result? You can do mate, right? White can do easy mate, but at the same position only one queen only present mean what is only one bishop present mean what is the result? Insufficient. Come on, repeat everyone. Insufficient. Haramakrishnan. Insufficient mating material. Right? Yes. So, and fourth one. So, fourth one draw. We got to see fourth one draw. So, what is the fourth one draw? Come on, read your book. Repetition. Draw. So, what is the repetition draw? There is no idea. they played repeat and repeat like that. So some of the player played repeat. There is no more improvement. They play like this. He play like this. Again he play like this. Again he play like this. So there is repeated move. There is repeated move. There is no plan. Only repeated move will come mean the 3 times repeated move. The perpetual checks also 3 times. The repeated move also 3 times. Pair of 3 moves. Pair of 3 times. White one time, black one time. This is a one move. White one time, black one time. This is a second move. Again, come on. Who is that? Ashwin, are you in line? Ashwin, watch the class. Today's title is on types of draw. Okay. Right. So, repetition move draw. This is a three-fold repetition, unlimited repetition, three-fold repetition. This is a draw, okay? When the 3 times repeated move come in, that is a three-fold repetition draw, okay? So now we go to clear very important, but everyone known very well. 50 move draw. 50 move rule draw, okay? Aryan, come on, read the 50 move rule draw. If both sides have, come on, read. If both sides have made 50 consecutive moves without making capture or without making pawn moves. But here we understand, come on, underline the word without making capture or with more pawn move then. Come on, underline the word. All of you underline the word. Ashwin, take our course book, Ashwin, page number 52. Come on, Ashwin. Take our Miracle School of Chess course book, Beautiful Success Possible. Open the page number 52. The title is in Types of Draw. We discussed 4 types of draw. Now fifth one is going on. So fifth one, come on, everyone underline. So after complete the class, all of you send the one WhatsApp picture to me, underline the word, okay? Take the snap and send to me WhatsApp, okay? Okay, so what is going on? Without making capture or pawn move, then 15 moves. Here, so many player understanding. So what is understanding mean? If alone king present mean he played 50 moves mean this is a draw like that. So not only king move. If this position, in this position, one of the pawn presented for white and black also, but pawn there is no more improvement. There is no more pawn moves. So when the pawn moves are black mean, so that is also when the pawn moves are black eyed mean there is no pawn moves. You can count a only king move. So when you enter the only king move mean you can count and start number 1. Okay, right? So at the same position, so somebody at the number of 40th move, he ready to give the bishop mean you can cut the piece, and from the counting when the pawn is moving from that moment you can count from the first. Okay, not 41 01. Okay, so the title pawn move is not matter. So when only king move presented mean that is an 50 move draw. This is until you know the types of draw until before the class. But so we discussed there is no pawn move presented 50 move mean. I give you one good example to you. Everyone can understand very easy. It is a very funny position. One player play like this. Another player play like this. And another player play like this, and another player play like this. Again he 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 play like this. So the game is going on. After 50th move, there is no more improvement of the pawn. What is the result? What is the result? So the game is going on without pawn moves. Without pawn moves. He play repeated like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, repeated playing without capturing, without pawn moves. What is the result? 1 to 50 moves. When the 50 moves is reached, mean game is draw. So one game. Come on, come on, come on. Everyone understand? One game. All of you repeat. All of you repeat the word one game. Come on, repeat on Chiranjeevi. Come on, repeat one game.
One game. One game.
Come on, all of you repeat one game.
One game.
There is no pawn moves.
No pawn moves.
There is no capture.
There is no capture.
In this 50 moves is running on. In this type of 50 moves, game is running on. The game is 50 move rule draw. Dear students, don't forget the only king move 50 move is not a draw. So I repeated to you, the only alone king, single king repeated move is not a draw. So when the capture, there is no capture, no pawn moves. This is a draw. The only king move 50 move is not a draw. When the only king means there is no pawn presented, so pawnless move. There is no capture, so no captures like that. It will come by this type of method. There is no other specific move for the only king. Okay, there is two type of draws. There is two types of draw available. Harji, Sanjit, you please understand. There is two type of draws available. One is pawnless, one is capture. In between move, this move, 50 moves going on, the game is draw. But until you are understanding the one move, one king presented mean you counting 1, 2, 3. You are thinking 1, 2, 3 king counting 50 move draw. Not like that. The pawn is not presented, so only play king move. This is a draw. If it is pawn presented, there is no capture. Play the only king move. This is a draw. Okay. So, and next, you know very well. 6-1 is very interesting. Every player known very. Once again, stay online. Okay. So sixth one is, what is the sixth one? Hi Ramakrishnan, come and read.
What's that?
What are you doing, man? Agree draw. What is the sixth one draw?
Agree draw.
Aryan, what is the agree draw, Aryan? Ashwin Kumar, come on, you tell. What is the agree draw? What is the agree draw? So one of the game is starting before end of the time, anytime. One player offer draw, another player agree mean agree draw. Okay, this is an offer draw. Offer draw. Aryan, Chiranjeevi, you know the offer draw? Chiranjeevi, do you know the offer draw? Okay, right. Ashwin, Ashwin Kuti, do you know the offer draw, Ashwin? Ashwin, are you in line? Ashwin, what are you doing, Ashwin?
Sir,
Ah, okay, right. So now, so listen everyone, take your notebook notes. So agreed draw. What is the agreed draw? Agreed draw means, Aryan, Aryan, your side little bit noise coming, so that why I put your call mute. Okay. Seventh, sixth one, agree draw. Agree draw mean the game is draw by offering one player and agree by the draw. Okay, right. So you know very well. But this rule, so when you offer the draw mean in starting moves, you would not allow the draws. After 20, 50, 30 moves crossing, you can offer the draw, it will come draw. Okay. After
yes,
30
master.
moves, draw was accepted by the arbiter and view of the player understanding, right? So seventh one is very interesting. So you know very well the photographic draw. So many players and our YouTube channel members and some of the training school students and so many young students don't know. The title is photographic draw. Photographic draw. So photographic
Draw.
draw mean, I give, come on, repeat it everyone. Photographic draw. So that's
Photographic draw.
yes, the answer is photo. The one position photo come three times mean the game is draw. I give you one good
Master.
example, so you can understand this position by the examples. Some of the game going on like, stay online. See, so this is the one position. Everyone take the snapshot. In 22 moves, black played b4. Okay. Everyone take the take the snapshots of the move.